Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have a Young Living unboxing for you. It is the starter kit. I am super excited for this. I've been waiting. I ordered on October 5th. Today is October 17th. And it took a couple weeks to get here, but I am super excited to unbox this for you guys. So if you like this kind of unboxings, if you're super excited for this as much as I am, keep on watching. All right, guys, so here is the box. So I'm gonna open it up. So here we go. Here it is. It's my first time opening it. All right, so here is my paperwork. It tells me what I ordered, what's in the box, along as the as well as the October, November, December Essential Edge. Looks like a newspaper, so I'll look at that. And then here we are. Here is the box. So let's see here. So getting started with essential oils. So here is a nice little book. Oh, it's got some recipes in here. Oh, citronella floating candle recipe. Different about all the different oils that are in the starter kit. This is awesome. I'm super excited to look at this. Here's the back of it. Very nice. And I chose the Desert Mist diffuser because the Aria was out of stock. So here it is. Here it is. So let's unbox this and see what is inside here. Okay, so before we unbox this, it says the Desert Mist features include 3 running time settings: high, which runs approximately 5 to 6 hours, low, up to 8 hours. And there's intermittent mode up to 10 hours, 1 minute on, 1 minute off. There's lighting features up to 10 color options, including a candle-like flickering mode. Awesome. Lights can run independently from diffusing modes. So I can run the light without the diffuser on. So that's really nice. So it comes with the diffuser, 1 adapter, and the manual. So here it is. Let's get into unboxing it. It almost looks like Christmas colors. Okay, so in the box, it shows you how to use it. And then here is your operating guide here. And then here we are. Here is the adapter. And you open the box. Here it is. Sorry if you guys can hear my dogs. They're barking and howling at other dogs that are walking by. So here we are. Here it is. Okay, so here it is. Let's get into the diffuser. Okay, so let's unbox this. Here it is. Some tape to, here it is. There was some tape to hold it closed. Well, here we are. Here it is. How awesome is that? Open it up. Here we go. I'm so excited to use this. So this goes on. You have to line up the edges. And then here it is. I'm really excited to start using this. All right, let's get into the next items that are in the box. Okay, next we have here is the product guide for 2019. And let's see, it has all the items in it. Oh, wow, that's awesome. I love Thieves. I'm super excited to try more stuff from them. Here are the different products. And oh, wow, this is amazing. This shows everything. I can't wait to look at this. Here it is, Product Guide 2019. Okay, let's get into the next item. We have, looks here, is Essential Oils Classic Comfort Foods. So this is some recipes and information, wow, that you can use the essential oils in your food items. Wow, there's basil. You can use it on a pizza. Wow, I'm very excited for this. Orange spiced carrot bread. Wow. So here we go. This will be awesome to look at, and I can see how I can use some of my oils in my cooking. And then this, here it is. So here is the box of the oils. We have to open this. "25 years Young Living anniversary. From our fields to your family." Here is the box. Love that. All right, so let's take the sleeve off. Oh, dropped something here. Okay, so this tells you everything that comes in the starter kit. Looks like quite a few things, so I'll look at that later. And here it is. And you open it up, so I'm gonna open it up with you guys. And here we are, here are the oils. Okay, the first one here looks like peppermint. This is the Vitality one. Lemon Vitality, Thieves Vitality, Citrus Fresh Vitality, Disease Vitality, I don't know what that is, but I don't have to look at that. Raven, Velour, Panaway, Lavender, Frankincense. Wow, very excited for these. And they're all 5 mLs. And then you take this and you pick this up. And underneath, there's another opening. Wow, so this is so cool. So what I get here, oh wow, they gave me a roller ball. So they give the 1 flow ounce of the Thieves spray. Awesome. Some Thieves hand sanitizer. I can keep this in my purse, that's awesome. More Thieves hand sanitizer, very cool. They gave Stress Away with a roller ball, as well as Peace and Calming with a roller ball. That's awesome. And then this is what I'm super excited to try. Very excited to try this Ningxia Red. I've heard a lot about this, so I really want to try this. So what else is in here? Let's put this back on. There's some paperwork. Okay, so it tells you everything essential oils at a glance. So it tells you about each oil that's in there and what you can use them for. So cool. And there's more on the back. And then it says aroma. So it shows you if you can use those topically or if you can use those aroma dietary and dilute. So it gives you these little things at the top of each description to tell you what you can use them for. That's really nice. So, all right, so I'm done with the unboxing. If you guys are interested in Young Living, I will have my link below. All you have to do is click on my link below and say yes to Essential Awards and rewards, and you place your first order. You get your starter kit as your first order. I got my starter kit as my first order, and then I placed another order for next month, November, which I'm patiently waiting for it to go through and ship, but I might place another order because the holiday collection is coming out. But I'm very excited. So like I said, I can show you guys on my phone here in a little clip. You just go on to click on my link below on this YouTube video. And also you can follow me on Instagram. It's Kristin_wellness, KRISTIN_wellness. And I do posts and put up little posts about different things, brownies you can make, just different ways to use these essential oils. So I'm super excited to start my journey with Young Living. And if you want to join my team or if you have any questions, comment down below. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and tell me if you like these kind of videos. I can do my unboxings from Young Living every month on here if you'd like. So thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe and like this video. See you guys next time. Bye.